Well, here we are again, folks. Welcome to another edition of As the Crow Flies Hiking. I'm going to do a little adventure today. I'm going to set out on kind of impromptu kayaking trip. We're going to go out to the river and do a overnight. The overnight's going to be real short. Temperature plunging down to freezing, and we've got to make sure that we keep everything as ultralight or as minimal as possible, because we're in two kayaks, and those kayaks don't have a lot of space. I'm not an expert by any means at kayaking. I enjoy it just recreationally, and these are recreational kayaks. So here we go. We're going to go off on an adventure and see what happens. Maybe we'll make it, maybe we won't. Anyway, thanks for watching As the Crow Flies Hiking. I appreciate you watching and subscribing to the channel. Here we go. These two kayaks are going to make a run down a very rain-filled river. There's a basketball. Oh gosh, the current is moving.
Huh?
The current is moving.
Yeah.
I'm used to it being still.
It's moving a little bit.
It's gonna take us a while.
That's alright. This is pretty awesome. The only problem is staying on my back. There's the water moving right here. Look at that.
Yeah. Welcome again, folks, to another edition of As the Crow Flies Hiking. I appreciate you joining me. Me and my son are about to do several miles upstream on the river and find a campsite. I'll let you know when we get there. See you in a bit. What do you think? We're gonna be all right?
It'll be easy in the morning.
Yeah. It'll take us 10 minutes.
Yeah, but it'll be easy in the morning to go back.
Right.
Because literally we'll just be gliding. So we're paddling upstream today. We've got several miles to go, so it makes it a little harder going upstream, especially because the rains have been so high lately, made the river so high. So I've got several shirts on. My son's got several layers on too. It's supposed to get down to freezing tonight. We've got just enough stuff to make it through the night at freezing, but these kayaks will only hold so much weight, and we got tents, sleeping bags, air mattresses, pillows, stove, and food for the night, and hopefully that's enough. We've just got to find a good flat spot on the side of the mountain. Yeah. Well, somewhere where it evens out that we can camp up here. Probably what you'll see here in a minute is just rock walls on both sides. So we just got to make do. It's a rope swing? Yeah.
Cool. It'd be super cold to do that rope swing right now.
Yeah, right up there to the left looks good. Oh, what's right there, Dad?
What?
What's right there?
Oh, that's cool. I don't know what's on the other side of that. Oh, it's just... I mean, that looks cool up there. See that little platform right there?
Yeah.
Oh, look. There's been a dog right here. Or a coyote.
Yeah.
Only problem is getting up right here. Let me look at GPS. Oh no, okay. Do you have your paddle?
I think it's good. Yeah, it's up there.
Is that all the water out?
I think so.
Okay. All right, let's get in and get back.
Oh, wait, no.
Will it float?
There's still water. It's not.
You got all the water out?
Yeah.
Do you have your paddle?
Huh?
You have your paddle?
Yeah. Oh, God. That's cold. Let me get this back in here. Golly. We just had an epic failure. We had a flip in the river. The river is up very high, and we knew that, but my son, anyway, we're kind of in a situation here. We're headed back to the port. We have a ride that can pick us up, but we just spent a good portion of the time getting him out of the water. He flipped his boat. Luckily, I had everything in dry bags, double dry bags, so everything stayed in the kayak. And the only problem is it's getting down to 32 degrees tonight, and so we're making a dash probably in the night to get a ride back home. Anyway, I thought I was going to have a overnight stay and a little video for y'all, but unfortunately that will not come to pass because my son flipped his kayak. It's not funny. It's a mess, but we'll be fine. We knew when we came out here it was cold, and we knew there was a possibility, and that's why we had a ride waiting for us if we have to. We didn't come out very far, just about 3 or 4 miles. So it's not freezing yet. He's fine. He's wet, obviously completely wet. So anyway, I'll catch you next time on As the Crow Flies Hiking, hopefully with a better video and a better session where we don't flip our boats.